In today's video, we'll show you how to replace the battery in your iPhone 12 Pro with a step-by-step guide you can follow at home. We start by removing the two bottom pentalobe screws of the iPhone, as shown in the image. These screws require a pentalobe screwdriver, which isn't commonly found at home, so I recommend purchasing one online, such as from Amazon. Next, we use a hairdryer to slowly and evenly heat the screen until the adhesive softens, allowing us to lift the display from the frame using a suction cup. After attaching the suction cup to the screen, we use isopropyl alcohol to help dissolve the adhesive, making the screen pop out much more easily. Then, once the phone is powered off, we use a white 000Y00 screwdriver to remove the 6 screws securing the 2 metal plates that sit on top of the flex cables we need to disconnect. Next, we disconnect the small battery flex connector to cut off power and prevent any electrical current from damaging the phone's components while we work. Next, we disconnect the earpiece speaker and proximity sensor flex cable located at the top of the phone. Immediately after that, we disconnect the 2 display flex cables positioned behind the battery connector, allowing us to fully remove the screen from the phone. Removing the old battery is straightforward. We use the flat back end of our tweezers as a spudger to gently pry it out and away from the phone. After removing most of the old adhesive residue, we apply new adhesive so the battery is secured properly and doesn't move inside the phone. Finally, we reinstall the screen and screw the metal plates back onto the motherboard. Last but not least, we close the screen, place the phone on the charger to confirm it powers on, and reinstall the bottom screws. Thanks for watching until the end.